It's no wonder that over the past 10 years, Chevrolet's LUV truck has really caught on with value seekers having a wide variety of transportation needs. It's a lot of truck in an efficient-sized package. This light utility vehicle has the built-in toughness to handle the big payloads of some full-size half-tonners. And now, following in the LUV tradition, a new way to efficiently haul people and cargo in the 80s. The all-new Series 11 LUV. Redesigned inside and out for 1981 to meet the needs of today's value-seeking buyers. From the front end to the cab, all the way to the pickup box tailgate, it's an all-new look. The styling is crisper, cleaner, styling that goes beyond contemporary beauty. Aerodynamically designed to help this new LUV slip through the wind better than ever. The striking new grille design is set off by rectangular headlamps and a new wraparound front bumper with integral parking and side marker lamps. The new look at the rear features a functional wraparound combination lamp treatment, newly designed optional rear step bumper, and a new tailgate with handy center pull release. Also new chrome-plated hubcaps standard. To really make this handsome half-tonner stand out, add the available Sport package with two-color horizontal striping and Sport decals. LUV comes in a short wheelbase with 6-foot cargo box in a choice of either the two-wheel drive model or the sporty 4x4 shown here. The long wheelbase two-wheel drive version comes with a 7.5-foot box, the longest of any small-size pickup. The 4x4 model handles up to 1,155 pounds of maximum gross payload, including cargo, passengers, and equipment. The short wheelbase two-wheel drive model carries gross payloads up to 1,175 pounds. And the long wheelbase handles a mountain of gross payload. Up to 1,680 pounds, or over 3/4 of a ton. With its all-new look and a broad choice of hard-working models offering impressive fuel efficiency, Series 11 LUV makes even more sense to today's economy-minded pickup buyer. In an energy-conscious world that demands vehicles that are easy on gas without sacrificing the performance needed to get the job done, it may be surprising to discover that LUV's answer to impressive operating efficiency is rather simple. Take a time-tested, road-proven 4-cylinder 1.8-liter power plant with 80 net horsepower, refine it, fine-tune it, match it up with drivetrain components geared for the right combination of performance and economy, put it all together in a weight-efficient vehicle, and the result? Last year, for example, LUV's two-wheel drive model had an EPA estimated MPG of 25 in the city and an estimated highway rating of 35 miles per gallon. The Series 11 LUV will continue to provide impressive economy and performance in 1981. For example, the standard 4-speed manual transmission has new first and second speed gear ratios. These provide responsive acceleration when combined with the new standard 3.42-to-1 rear axle ratio that's geared to provide impressive fuel economy on two-wheel drive models. A 3-speed automatic transmission is available on two-wheel drive models for operating convenience while still maintaining good mileage. And one improvement that'll help provide a lot of miles between fill-ups is the new 18.5-gallon fuel tank, now standard on the long wheelbase LUV. It has the largest capacity in its class. 1981 EPA estimates were not available at the time of filming. Be sure to ask your Chevrolet sales representative for the 1981 EPA estimated miles per gallon for all the LUV models. Pull LUV's security-conscious inside hood release and raise the new front opening hood, and you'll discover other features that contribute to LUV's overall enviable operating efficiency, especially for those interested in do-it-yourself maintenance. LUV's compact engine size leaves plenty of room to perform routine maintenance. Wiring and plumbing are neatly routed and out of the way. New for 1981 is a fully transistorized ignition system that eliminates points in condenser and reduces the chances of spark plug fouling. And all LUVs have long recommended service intervals under normal driving conditions. 7,500 miles for oil changes, 15,000 miles for oil filter and valve adjustment, 30,000 miles for spark plugs, ignition timing, and fuel filter. Impressive fuel economy, a time-tested fine-tuned power plant, long recommended maintenance intervals, and a large dealer network across the nation give Series 11 LUV the economy-minded value needed for today's kind of driving. Series 11 LUV is one tough, hard-working little truck. And to demonstrate its mighty muscle and power, we've equipped this 4x4 with special towing equipment and hooked it up to this gravel train trailer, loaded with crushed stone. Total weight of trailer and cargo, more than 64,000 pounds. Now that's a hard-working pickup. There are a lot of built-in reasons why LUV trucks can handle rugged assignments day in and day out. Both the 6-foot and 7.5-foot all-steel cargo boxes feature reinforced side panels, and their flat floor is embossed with ribs that add rigidity, while also acting as skid strips, so heavy cargo can slide in and out easily. The new tailgate is double-wall steel, and it shuts tightly for a grain-tight seal. LUV's suspension system has all the strength to handle payloads rivaling full-size half-ton pickups, but it's also designed for a stable, balanced ride. The independent front suspension utilizes upper and lower steel control arms, torsion bar springs, and ball-type suspension joints to help each tire and wheel soak up bumps and ruts independently. And the standard front stabilizer bar helps keep the LUV on an even keel, especially in tight cornering. LUV's Soft Ride multi-leaf rear suspension, standard on both short and long wheelbase models, is designed to compensate for different cargo weights. And new for Series 11 LUV are counter-angled rear shock absorbers, which help control wheel hop. Continuous research and testing has contributed to the anti-corrosion treatments that help LUV trucks keep their good looks and workability. Specially treated metals, galvanized steel, and wax spray preservatives are used in areas especially vulnerable to corrosion. The entire cab and cargo box is dipped in a vat of electrostatically charged primer that magnetically bonds the paint and seals the metal from being exposed to corrosion-starting elements. And this year, even the wheels of the Series 11 LUV are dipped in this Elpo corrosion-fighting primer. Chevrolet backs up LUV's extensive anti-corrosion treatments with a perforation from corrosion limited warranty that's good for a full 36 months, no matter how many miles you're driven. Series 11 LUV, the mighty light utility vehicle with built-in value, proven value, that's tested day in and day out at General Motors' demanding proving ground. Series 11 LUV's restyling inside and out includes a host of new comfort and convenience features. Door openings are wider in 1981, making it easier to get in or out. And the front bench seat folds forward to provide a convenient hidden storage space. The all-new interior has increased shoulder room and boasts over 2 more inches of legroom than last year for added riding comfort. A new standard glove box keeps valuables safely locked away and out of sight. Dual sun visors are also standard. And the new heating and ventilation system incorporates new side window defoggers, standard on all LUVs. They help reduce window fogging to keep the side glass area free and clear. New vinyl seat trims feature new door trim panel treatment and matching headliner, color coordinated with the standard easy-to-care-for all-vinyl bench seat. Or choose the available Mikado trim package with either luxurious cloth bench seat or high-back full-foam bucket seats. Also included, cut pile carpeting, special door and seat trim, topped off with a deluxe steering wheel. LUV's new slam-type door locks make it convenient to lock the doors without the need for a key or holding the door handle. Out back, a newly designed tailgate with one-hand operation and center pull release. And 8 handy tie-down hooks are repositioned inside the box to maintain a smooth exterior appearance. LUV's redesigned instrument panel features new, easy-to-read gauges with international symbols, as well as easy-to-reach ventilation controls. And a new smart switch provides fingertip access to turn signals, headlamp dimmer, and windshield wiper and washer controls. Even LUV's long wheelbase model features a tight turning circle for great maneuverability, especially for getting in and out of tight places. LUV provides an impressively smooth ride because of torsion bar independent front suspension and two-stage multi-leaf rear springs, combined with 6 rubber body mounts and foam cushioned seats, all working together to smooth out road jolts and add to overall riding comfort. Series 11 LUV, tough to beat when it comes to providing a high level of comfort and convenience in a small-sized pickup. Chevy LUV 4x4 style, a fuel-efficient way to get 4-wheel drive traction in a hard-working pickup. Whether trucking across forbidding terrain, determined to get that critical part delivered, or making your way to a favorite weekend retreat on a seldom-used path, LUV 4x4 delivers the ground-grabbing value you can count on. A trim width and tight turning circle help this nimble four-wheeler get through tight squeezes that full-size pickups might have trouble with. And here's a real value plus for smoothing out the ride on or off the road. Torsion bar independent front suspension. It allows each front wheel and tire to step through bumps independently to help soak up road jolts before they reach the driver. For added protection in rugged terrain, heavy-gauge stone shield plates for the radiator, transfer case, and fuel tank are standard. Another standard value, all-terrain white-lettered tires mounted on sporty white-spoked wheels. And there's an available 4x4 decal package to add distinctive good looks. LUV's 2-speed part-time transfer case with manual locking hubs is the efficient way to combine 4-wheel drive performance when it's needed and 2-wheel drive type economy the rest of the time. With the front hubs locked and the transfer case shifted into 4-high, there's the right amount of traction for most conditions calling for 4-wheel drive. Shifting into 4-low provides the extra torque needed to overtake steep grades, mud, and deep snow. Unlock the hubs and shift into 2-high, and LUV operates in the economical 2-wheel drive to help save wear and tear on the drivetrain. LUV 4x4 from Chevrolet, the versatile pickup that hauls up to 1,155 pounds of gross payload with traction-grabbing efficiency.